People, what's up, how are you guys doing? People, y'all know I have some good topics, some good episodes, some good series going into, you understand? Yes, loyalty tests, I have music going on for you guys to see what is going on into the world. Yes, guys, I know this is something new. We're going into gold digger prank, bro. Let's see, let's catch these fake, these fake human. You understand? These fake human that is have that have a bean brain. A bean, their head is not on their neck. Once they fail, it is negative. Pass, positive. Subscribe right now, people, to Silk Reacts. You understand, guys? Yes, people follow me right now on Instagram. Thank you very much. My lineup looks sharp, bro. Yes, thank you very much. Here designed by Lex Do That. She the one do that. Get me this fresh haircut right now. People, this is a gold digger prank. Part 660. We not even reached one yet. That's how we're gone. Right in our future. One is in the 80s, people. We'll soon reach 2025. Alright, let's get right into it.
Damn. Look, this in this white dress. Oh, yeah, I sure you look good from my hair.
Fear, bro. Fear. Red flag. That's what yeah, red flag. That is better. Fear, red flag. She's not gonna pass. She's not gonna pass, guys. Leave your comment. She's not gonna pass, bro.
I gotta say something to this. How you doing? Hey, you look amazing. What's your name?
Thank you. I'm
Aaron?
Erin.
Nyyear, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nyyear.
It's nice.
Guys, red flag, bro. Like a female, bro, cannot be too friendly, bro. A guy walk up to you, bro. Hi, bye. Hi, bye. Like you start to give your name, your number, your shit, bro. I'm done. You understand? Red flag right here. Leave your comment, bro. What is your thought, bro? Red
Yeah, you
flag.
twirl like your tattoo right here on the side.
Thank you.
Butterfly.
Even showing
Okay.
tattoo. Thank you.
All
Red
white on.
flag.
I see
Bam.
you.
Yeah, I'm going somewhere.
Where you going to? You mind me
A
asking?
little brunch, a little dinner.
Okay, with friends or?
Yes, with friends.
Oh, okay. Why this mood out here? So right now, walking in the neighborhood, tell me some new friends.
Okay,
I thought you'd be a
you
good
look
friend to
good.
have. I look good?
Yeah,
You
where
know,
you
I
from?
appreciate it. Ohio.
Ohio?
Yeah, Cincinnati.
Okay, you like it here?
I mean, my first week. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
wow,
I like
you
you
do.
better now. I just ran into you. You know?
Thank you. You're sweet.
Nah, I appreciate it. You got a man though, or
No, I don't have any.
no man? How come?
I like being single.
Like being single. So how does it seem like treating you?
It's free, but you know, I'm kind of.
Bro,
Kinda
she's
got-
out here selling herself, bro. That's what she's doing.
I know someone.
Oh, someone? Oh, okay, okay. So you're talking right now? Or
Bro.
We're talking right now.
oh, okay. I like that. Okay, you got game.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
You
Divide. Okay. So
understand.
what brunch spot y'all going to today?
Like, I have to say something to that neck, bro. Their head is not on their neck, guys. Not on their neck. Yo, like she's capping. Like the way a lot of people cap different, bro. Like cap is a lie. A lot of people lie different, bro. A lot of people when they're telling lie, bro, like they start laughing. This girl right here, bro, her neck is turned. She's lying, bro. Guys, subscribe right now.
Forgive me
Yeah.
not.
Okay. I've never been there.
Okay, yeah.
What type of food they got there?
They have everything. Like they got breakfast food. They have like dinner.
Yeah.
Like it go all the way into the night.
Bro, she's hungry.
Oh, okay. So you staying out tonight life, or you just staying just for like a couple hours?
No, just a couple
2
hours
hours?
and then
Oh.
go back inside.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you staying in tonight?
Yeah.
You don't be outside?
Sometimes you know it's Houston, so you pop out, have a good time with your girls, your friends, you know.
Okay.
Then it's time back to work.
Okay.
What
Now
you
you look
do?
amazing though, all white. You know, look amazing though. But I'm in real
You wearing
estate.
black.
Yeah, chill
You got
day.
this yin yang thing going on.
Yeah, it's a little chill day though for me though. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I want to get used to the neighborhood. You know, get familiar with it.
Okay,
See how the
okay.
vibes is outside. But you know, it's hot out here. You not talking inside the car though?
Oh yeah. Wait. I don't get in the strangers' cars. You're not
I
gonna
mean,
drive off with me or
no,
nothing, are you?
you good. It's hot out here. I don't want you to sweat while we talking. If you got time though.
Yeah, I got that.
Got time? Oh, okay. And I ain't gonna hold you up too long. You feel me? That's what you a little bit more. You seem real sweet and genuine though. I like that white on you. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, the white shell. Hold on, the red bottoms. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's really pretty. She a little vibe too. How your day going?
Guys,
It's a really pretty day outside.
guys, we live into a serious world, bro. You need like a serious world where you need DNA tests and those stuff. You understand, like to see if these people is loyal and positive and just you understand, guys, and godly because you have to have God in your heart, in your soul, in your mind, in your brain, in your body, in your blood, in your vein. Yo, these guys, yo, like bro, trust me. You just she said outside she have someone.
Facts. It definitely do feel good out here in Houston. Where I'm from is a little chilly outside, probably like 60 something. I hear it's like 80, 90. So
I don't know what you're gonna do in this weather because it's hot.
I'm definitely rocking with Houston weather though, for sure.
You would fit in.
You know what outfit in?
Yeah.
Think so?
It's a lot of like. You look like you get money. Like you look like you going and you real productive.
Yeah. Oh, for sure, it has to
This is
be.
the place to be. Like you.
No,
cannot
fact. That's why I
be
moved
lazy.
here. Now I heard there's more opportunities, so that's why I moved out here and everything. See the vibes though. Okay, so how many friends you going out to be with?
Just
Two friends. Okay. Hmm. So it's around here too.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. So what you do for work though?
I reality TV stuff.
Oh, okay. How that's going?
I like it.
You like it?
What
How
she
long you
do
been doing
for
that?
work?
Since June.
Just June? Okay, that's what's up. That's I'm in real estate, crypto,
Bro, what
stocks.
she do for work? She sell her body for her, bro. Basically.
I mean, I do a lot though.
Oh wow,
Yeah, I do
you
a lot.
like it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, keep me busy.
You must be good with numbers.
Definitely, I am a numbers man. So, yeah,
So
I
you
like
gonna
dealing
get
with them.
mine?
Man, you got all this game. Hold on, where you get all this game from, though? Like,
Bro,
let me find
because
out
she
you a little
used to, bro.
player.
No, I'm not.
That's
Gonna
what
Cause you
she's
got a lot
doing.
of game, though. I gotta get the number.
Want to be
Damn.
number
You sound
fast
good with numbers,
because
so why you ain't go? Hold
she
on.
want the money,
I never
bro.
heard it before. I like that though.
This
I
one
like
is
that
a
for sure,
gold
for sure.
digger.
Okay. So you say for how long
Bro,
again?
can bet. Bro, hold on, bro. Hold on. You're moving too fast, bro. Hold on. I know this guy know that like, she is a gold digger. Like, obviously. But she, bro, no one can tell me that when she take the phone just now, bro, like, she even saved her own number in the guy phone. She not even put it in. I'll just give it back. She saved the number herself. Damn! Yo, these
How long you been
videos
single again?
keep catching me.
I've been single since December.
December. So almost a year.
Yeah, almost a year.
Okay. So like, what type of guys you like? Like, what's your type?
Sweet. Like I just really like a gentleman. Like open the door, pump the gas, just lay back.
Oh yeah,
Funny.
that's easy.
Funny.
Yeah, that's me right there.
Oh, you funny?
How you just like describe me like?
Bro, I would open my girl door once we go to the grocery shopping, bro. Like, no disrespect, females. Go to the grocery shopping and you have a lot of stuff in your hand. I would open the door. You have two big hands, bro. You have two hands with 10 finger. 1, 2, 3, bro. So me, I gonna go around and open your door. Then, who's gonna open my door? Me open your door. You have to come back out and open my door. You understand? And that's like that, bro. You're on empty. Open the door, my girl. You see the door? Eh? You think I floor? Eh? Open the door. Stop playing with me. Now do that.
Oh,
I described you.
yeah. How you just do that though? Like, it's like you know me
People
forever.
open the door to my
Describe me,
subscribe
yeah.
right now.
That's
Okay.
easy works right there. You'll love it here though. You know.
How you know?
I just know you'll love it here. I know how to treat a woman. So I know you'll love her.
You buy flowers?
Definitely, that's mandatory. But
Okay.
really, you know what I'm saying? That's cool, but I like, I actually plant flowers. You know what I'm saying? I plant seeds and watch my flowers grow. You feel me?
You smooth.
So I could buy you flowers, but I like to
Okay.
plant seeds and let my, watch my flowers grow. You feel me?
You get money with your girl, or you more of a she do her, you do you?
I mean, I like to get money with my woman, to be honest with you. I like to build a business together, try to build an empire, for our kids, make sure our kids straight and everything. So
Oh,
I
we
like
talk
to,
about kids already.
I mean, I'm just saying, if she my woman, I think like, be like how I am, like, if she my woman, I'm thinking forever. I'm not thinking like this for a season. So, if my woman, I'm thinking like, I'm making plans years, you know what I'm saying? Not just for months or 1 year.
Not short term.
No, we ain't doing short term, nah.
I like that.
If I'm thinking like that, I shouldn't even be with you, man. You feel me? How you feel like going like 50-50 with your man?
I don't have a problem with 50.
No problem?
Actually, like I really don't.
Yeah, like have you did it before?
No.
Never did it? You got no problem doing it?
Yeah, I don't have a problem doing it, but I've never been in like the situation to go
To go 50-50
Yeah,
though?
like, but if it came down to it, I wouldn't mind because the relationship is all about like wherever you slack, I feel
Yeah,
like that.
that's like, okay, I like,
Red flag, bro. She would not mind. Like she don't want it to go that way, bro.
mentality. I like the mindset. I like that. A lot of females not like that. You feel me? They look
I
at
feel
it
that.
like when you say 50-50, they look like, what 50-50 now?
We got sexy red and all types of stuff these days, so we
Yes,
looking up
influence.
to people like that
Yeah.
apparently. But
Okay. But I'm glad that you know what I'm saying, you ain't letting it like influence you though. You can listen to music, but you ain't letting it like,
That laugh
influence.
is fake just
I
now.
like that right there. Okay. So like, do you like want a man now or no?
do I want one? It all depends on like I'm not looking for
Not
one, but
looking
if
for
the
one.
right one
Yeah, come
fall
in.
into my hands, who am I to be like,
Yeah.
no?
Okay. Okay. What about kids? You want any kids?
Not right now.
No, I mean not right now, but like in the future. Like,
Yeah.
how many kids do you want? Total.
Altogether, like ideally 3.
3 kids.
2 to 3. Nothing too big.
Like what? 2 boys, 1 girl, or
It don't matter.
no matter as long as you just want 3.
Yeah, 2.
So how would you feel if you had 3 girls?
I wouldn't care.
So you want to try nothing to get a boy? You just say forget it. I got 3 girls.
I would if
Yeah.
it's all about what me and my partner want.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So say if you don't want any kids, we would have to compromise on
You
that.
gotta compromise in that, like
One.
like, okay, I want 3. You want none. So
One.
let's go. I want 1. Let's go ahead and compromise 1.
Hopefully that one would change his mind. Like, oh, baby, so cute.
No facts. Okay. So like, do you cook for your man?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's
Like,
trying
what's
to
your favorite
be
dish
black.
to make?
Mars. No, I don't like that one anymore.
Yeah, this guy, bro, like near the Prince price, bro. Like near the price, bro. Like he good at catching these females, bro. Like he's not glitching. He's not glitching, bro.
Yeah, chicken parmesan right now
Okay.
because I think it's that heavy.
Baby, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Near price,
You
bro.
keep
He's
out
not
like your house clean,
glitching, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm a neat freak, so that's one thing.
Oh,
Like,
so-
Yeah, this guy know how to catch them. Like this is his job. Obviously, maybe. But this guy, like one of his job, maybe. But this guy know how to catch them. He know their like he can feel their vibe, what to ask, the right question, stay on that, like on that topic, then move off that topic, then go on that other topic. Yo, this guy, he's tough.
So that's good. Then we got something in common. I like that because I'm like I got OCD. So I
everything
like
has to
yeah.
look like new.
Like I like my place to look like no one lived there. Basically, if I leave out the spot, I need it to be clean. You know?
He's getting right into it
that
as
says a
well
lot about you
because
though, too, though. For real. Okay. So let's say if I had like a bad day.
she think it's going to happen.
How can you make my day better though?
Also, a bunch of ways we can do better. Massage. Already got the food cooked.
Okay, I like that.
Watch a movie together.
Okay.
It all depends on how the night goes.
Okay, how the night going? Huh? I like that. You look so good in this all white though. You just glowing.
Something slight for dinner.
For dinner.
I don't know what we're supposed to be doing. Girls, you already know how we are. Like,
you be drinking?
do I drink? Of course.
Like, okay, like what's your favorite drink? Like what's your go-to?
You gonna think I'm so basic for saying lemon drop?
No, I'm not. You know what I'm saying? I'm basic, nigga. Like when it comes to stuff like that, I'm basic. Only with that though.
I would definitely say a lemon drop.
Lemon drop. You drink wine?
Yeah.
I like wine. I'm more of like a wine type of dude.
What type of wine?
I like Moscato, I like sweet wine. So I like Moscato, something like that. Drink wine?
Yeah,
What you like?
I'm a rose type of
Rose. Okay, I like rose too though. I drink rose. You know. So you're going up to friends. I ain't getting no invite yet. That's crazy.
You know,
Maybe I gotta
he
meet my
already.
sisters. Like, you know what I'm saying? Your friend, my sisters. Like, yo, this my, you
That's
know what I'm
why
saying? They're my sisters now.
I know they
Like,
blowing up the group.
Bro, I just want to see her face when this guy run her out of his car, bro. Like, I just want to see her face, bro. Trust me.
One
nah,
day
I
when
hear your
I have
phone
right
going
Trust me,
now.
guys.
crazy right now. I hear it.
I know they are.
It's ringing. But I didn't want to be like, no, you know, something like, yo, who texting your phone? But
I
too
know they
early.
texted the group chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what time.
Bro, she
Yep.
They own you, huh?
she even got
Okay.
2 phones.
So I
The
get no
girls.
invite, basically.
You can come.
I can come.
Yeah, you can come.
Okay, maybe I can, drive you there.
You know,
She
I'll
even
treat
got
you
2
good.
phones.
Treat me today. What you mean treat me?
You want dinner on me?
Oh, no, we're not doing that. I appreciate that though. We're not doing that. Oh man. Yeah, we're not doing that.
See, that was test number 1 and you passed.
Yeah, no, you fast, you know what I'm saying? You tell me you'll treat me like girls don't really be like, a lot of girls don't do that, you know? So I like that. But
So
nah,
you never be spoiled?
I mean, I did, but I'm saying like a lot of girls don't do that. You feel me? Like they just expect the man to pay and don't even try. Like, you know what I'm saying? So by you trying, that's just a plus for you, you know? So I like that.
I like your attitude. You have a
I
nice
like yours.
voice.
Oh yeah, that do to you.
Let me get out
Nah,
the
nah.
car.
We
You
wasn't
coming to
leaving.
dinner?
Yeah, maybe I can take you there. You want to take you there?
You gonna take me?
Yeah, we're going together, right?
Okay, let's
Put the seatbelt on. Safety first, you know?
go. That's cute.
Yeah.
He's
Safety
not gonna
first.
You
take
drive
her, bro.
fast?
If this guy
I
take
can.
her, he
No.
Okay, I won't.
No.
you gonna
You
take
got
her
me.
for real?
All right. I ain't gonna go too fast. Probably a little fast.
Oh, here you go.
You don't like fast cars?
In the right place, in the right setting. If we on a track or something, then yeah, you can go fast.
Bro, he take her for real, bro. He must, yo, like this guy is single. Maybe this guy is single, so he just go around and just take females and just do what he have to do with them. Because no way you're gonna do these prank, bro, and don't get to the point and say, okay, yo, you is a gold digger. You understand? Like he just leave it up to us. He just leave it up to us in the comment to say. Maybe you just want more comments then. You understand, guys? Yes, subscribe to me right now. Alright? Yes. Nyyear price. Now he got some good quality video as well. You understand? I don't know if he is an artist, but all I know is he catch gold diggers. Yes, he catch them very well. But maybe he is single right now by going away because there's no way his girl or his wife going to watch these videos and say, where's the ending? Where's the ending, bro? Where do you take this female? Where's the ending? So, y'all know what time it is. Guys, people, y'all reach the end of the video. Thank you very much for your support. All right, guys. Peace and love out there. Stay safe. And remember to pray to Father God, okay? Always pray. Pray no matter what. Good or bad. Bad or good. Big up yourself now. Okay, guys? Stay safe out there into the world. People. This is Silk Reaction. I'm out.